Hey everyone, this is Mr. Isometric, and in this video we are going to learn how to make gears from scratch inside Solidworks. So let's get started. First I will click on new and let's create a new part, and I will select my right plane. You can select any plane you want. Now we are going to make some circles. So the first circle we are going to make is our addendum circle, and then we are going to make our dedendum circle, and then we make our pitch circle and then our base circle. So these are the four circles that you are going to be needing. So let's dimension them. So first of all, our addendum circle, and for the values I'm using this app that I made. It is free for everyone on Play Store, so go check it out. So my addendum diameter is 20, as you can see, and then my dedendum diameter is 15.5. Let's put that over there. Okay, now we need to put our pitch circle. So pitch circle is at 18 millimeters. There you go. And our base circle is at 16.9145. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to select these two lines. This menu will pop up and we are going to change it to construction geometry. Now the first thing is take line and go to the base circle. So you can place as many lines as you want, because we are going to use these lines to create the involute for our circle. So select each one of those lines now, click on equals in the add relations, and now we are going to take the smart dimension, and this is optional by the way, but I think it is a good thing that we use our circular pitch. It is not needed, you just have to make a known length so that you can put it in the tangents that we are going to create next. So what I like to do is I like to put in the circular pitch in it, 3.1416. So that is our circular pitch. Also I'm going to copy this value and let's hit OK. And now we will change this to construction geometry as well. Okay, nice. Now let's create some tangents. So let's select our line and let's hold it on that circle. Now it will create tangent. Press L again, hold it on the circle, create the tangent. Let's make another line, make it tangent, and the last one is over here. Select that and we have created a tangent. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and click on smart dimension. Okay, now let's select the line, and you have to make sure that it is not straight like this, but it is at an angle like this. Click and then just hit Control V, and as this is the first line, you don't have to multiply it with anyone, so just press enter. Now select this one, Control V to paste the value, and let's multiply this line by 2 because this is our second line. Let's click on this one, paste, and let's multiply it with 3 because it is our third line. And for the last one, paste, and let's multiply it with the 4. So now we are going to select our spline and we are going to start it from over here. So click on that point, click on that point, click on this point, let's click on there. Now the more lines you have, the more accurate this involute profile is going to be. So even if you go beyond this, it is still a good thing to have like at least minimum 4 lines. Okay, so now that our curve is ready, now let's go ahead and click on line, and this is our pitch circle by the way. So make sure that you are on the right circle and not on the base circle. So let's hover over both of them, and as you can see it generated a new arc like icon. So I'm just gonna click it and I'm gonna click it again on somewhere far away on my pitch circle like this. Now let's select our smart dimension and let's click on this one, and we are going to hit Control V again, and we are going to divide it by 2. Okay, so there it went. And now let's change this to construction geometry because we don't need it. Also, I think it is better if we change this lines to construction geometry. There you go. I think it is also better to change this one into construction geometry. Okay. Now we are going to create another line from the center of our circle to the midpoint of the line that we just made. So there you go. And now this line is our mirror axis. Let's turn it into construction geometry as well. Now let's select our mirror entities. Now this is asking for entities to mirror. So we want to mirror our curve, and mirror about, we are going to select this line. Ignore this pixelated curve. You just have to hit confirm and your curve now is generated. So this is the first teeth profile that we made, and now what we are going to do is we are going to create a line, and we are going to join from the tip from the base circle to the center of our circle. There you go. And let's do that with the other tip as well. Now you can go ahead and trim the things that you don't need. You can also directly go ahead and extrude this now. So let's select that part and let's make this something like 5. I think 5 is also a bit too much. Let's just make it 3 or something. Okay. Let's select this one. Let's select our tooth like that. And as you can see in the preview, we got our gear tooth. So let's just hit confirm. Now our gear is almost ready. We can also do one thing. We can again go into the sketch, edit the sketch, and I can also create a circle like this, and then let's say let's give it a diameter of something like 5. Confirm it, get out of the view, and here you go. You have a bore in your gear in the middle. Now we are going to select our circular pattern, and in the direction we will select this edge. Now we need to be at equal spacing. The number of teeth, we know that number of teeth are 18, so I'm just gonna make it to 18. And instead of features, we are going to select the faces, and we are going to select each individual face of our gear. Okay, there you go. Over the 360 we want to make 18, and let's just hit OK. So here's our gear ready. So yeah, here that's how you make your own custom gears in SolidWorks. Do check out the app, and the app is ad free, by the way. Like, not totally ad free. If you want to support me, you can watch ad over there. Usually this channel is about 3D stuff with the Blender, but yeah, SolidWorks is also a software that I use to create CAD models for 3D printing and stuff. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.